Hello folks and welcome back to Fortune Reviews yet again. Here at Fortune Reviews, we continuously work for you to get you to the latest updates from the auto world. And also today with us we have the new Toyota Yaris. So without any further delay, let's dig into it. The Toyota Yaris here in India was launched at Rs 8.75 lakhs ex-showroom. It comes in 4 variants, namely the J, G, V and VX. The best part about that is all the variants come with a CVT transmission. And top of the line VX variant is priced at 14.07 lakhs ex-showroom here in India, and that is the only variant to feature pedal shifters. Toyota, the Japanese car makers, makes its entry into the C segment in India, wherein the segment is dominated by the Honda City, the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz and the Hyundai Verna. But I must say that the Toyota Yaris packs on a little extra compared to its competitor. So let's find out, shall we? Now before we get any further, I would like to thank Sonak Toyota here in Kolhapur. It is a newly introduced Toyota showroom in Kolhapur which helped us getting this car out on the road for the review. They have a great staff and great inventory of cars as well. Talking of the service, they provide very excellent service which includes express service, chassis strengthening or chassis alignment and even 3D alignment. So that was about Sonak Toyota. Now regarding safety, Toyota has equipped the Yaris with a ton of safety features as standard across the range. All the 4 variants get 7 airbags, ABS with ABD, brake assist, central locking and ISOFIX child mounts as standards. The higher variants even get hill start assist, vehicle stability control, front and rear parking sensors, front and rear fog lamps and a rear camera too. Now let's begin with the design elements of the car. And yes, you are right. It looks like a baby Corolla in all aspects but in a premium way. So let's find out how it looks like. The slick body and the subtlety in the design is typically Toyota, and there's no regression whatsoever. The wider, low grille could have given the Yaris a bit of in-your-face look, but frankly, it looks calm. The bonnet gets some muscular lines, but that's about it. On the side though, there are lovely character lines which make the car look elegant and also serve a major differentiator from its rival. A bit downer though that the car sits on 15-inch rims which don't look good, but that might be due to our road conditions, which is fair enough. Over the rear, the Yaris has a 476 liters of boot space. The boot is very nicely shaped and can swallow in a good amount of luggage. A bit downer is that just the opening is lightly on a smaller side, and one more a bit upgrade is that the rear seats can fold down so it can swallow in more amount of luggage. Now let's get inside the car and check out how it is. It comes with a beige and black interior scheme which opens up and makes it feel very airy. The dashboard is very neatly laid out, and sure, the quality of materials is very premium, and same is continued over the center console as well, which has these glossy black inserts and even on the door panels. Everything feels very assuring. It has got very nice leather steering with controls mounted on it very conveniently and are easy to understand as well. In the MID, there are very neatly laid out dials with a TFT display for all the information you need. These leather seats on the top of the line variant seem nice too. Now let's understand how feature packed Yaris is. In this VX trim, which is the top of the line trim, it gets many first in segment features, starting with this gesture control which works nicely. Just the thing is that this system gets a bit confused sometimes, but still it's there and it works. Need to mention about the Wi-Fi in cabin as well, and even the power adjustable driver seat. Even it gets paddle shifters on the auto variant. Even it gets a third head restraint to accommodate that third passenger, which is again a first in segment, and rear AC vents mounted on the roof which look unique and has ambient lighting in them as well. Now here I am inside the cabin of the new Yaris, and the cabin certainly feels very premium. It feels like Corolla. It is very well put together and it's solid too. Now let's understand how this Yaris is to drive. This car which I am driving is the top of the line VX variant, and this is a 1.5 liter petrol engine which shares its block with the Etios, but this one it gets a variable valve timing which makes it way more powerful and way more efficient other than the Etios engine. The output of this engine is 107 bhp, and the ARAI claimed fuel efficiency for the automatic transmission, which is the CVT, is 17.1 kilometers per liter, and to the manual it is 17.8 kilometers to the liter. This engine is way more refined and is not at all audible when you rev it hard. It is very smooth. It is a very smooth shifting CVT. There is no rubber band effect whatsoever and is nice to drive. The sitting posture and the sitting position is also very nice. You sit lower to the ground, but still you can see all of the potholes and road very clearly. Talking of the driving ability, this car is very smooth and very nice to drive. The steering feedback is also very nice. There is no dead center whatsoever, and the response is also very nice. The throttle response is very good as well. The car picks up pace very nicely. The braking is also covered with all the 4 disc brakes, which is again first in segment and is very nice. Let's talk about the comfort of this car. The suspension of this car is slightly on a softer side to give you more of the comfort. It soaks in all the bumps very nicely. Even the tires are crisp to take those potholes inside. So as I'm driving the CVT, I use the paddle shifters and response from them is also very crisp. The gears change very nicely and in a short span of time. So this is again a very nice thing for that auto transmission lovers. Now as you all can see, here I am sitting on the rear bench of the new Yaris, and I must say the seats are very nice. They are very comfortable. The backrest is also very nice, and they have great thigh support as well. Talking of the headroom, you can see I am 6'1" and my hair are just brushing the roof. It is okay, but if you are more than 6, it might be a bit claustrophobic. Talking of the legroom is also very nice, and even I can stretch my legs below the front seat. Storage spaces here at the rear are also very nice. There are 2 cup holders in the center armrest, and there are bottle holders in the door pads as well. Talking of the comfort and convenience at the rear, you get this rear sunshade, which is very nice, and even there is a third head restraints for the third passenger here. There are even 2 power sockets at the rear, which are located on the center armrest at the bottom, which is again a very nice touch. So all in all, Yaris is an excellent package to choose. And with that said guys, I would like to end this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Fortune Reviews signing off. Thank you.